Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, August 6, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 1 point to 28.38.5 per contract. All in all, futures ticking down into negative territory here. So we'll see what today gives us. All in all, it's going to be a little bit on the lighter side as far as earnings are concerned, but we still have a few out here. So let's get started on the big names. First one we're going to take a look at is going to be Berkshire Hathaway. We'll use the B shares. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at 205.01. That's a nice little pop. It closed at $200.24 on Friday. So Berkshire ticking higher ahead of the opening bell. I just think the stock has had a big run already. If you take a look here, this is where my buy signal was for Berkshire. Now we're all the way up at 204. So we're into a little bit of a gap area. There's definitely going to be some resistance in play coming up around this area. So again, Berkshire Hathaway having a good morning, trading at around the 205 level, but you are definitely getting a little bit long in the tooth here short term, and you're into some good resistance. So I'll try to narrow down some levels there, but I'm not so sure we're going to get anything great out of this one, but we'll see what we get. Next up, we want to take a look at Tyson Foods. TSN is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at $59.65. Stock closed at $57.75. This is a good little pop. Again, I don't see anything all that terrific here. You'll probably hit some resistance around the 62 level, maybe a touch higher than that. But nice little pop for Tyson this morning. We'll work on levels and we'll see what we get. But again, it's not up all that much from where it closed. So again, Tyson upticking this morning ahead of the opening bell, and we'll see what it gives us there. Next up, we want to take a look at JEC, which is Jacob Engineering. Stock right now is trading at $71. It closed at $67.09. Good little uptick there. We'll give this the upside bias as well right now to around just around 72. You can see that's where it kind of stalled out. Now we came back in. Again, there's not a lot of volume out here in the pre-market, so don't make too much out of these levels here on this Monday morning. We'll have to look at these when the opening bell rings, and then we'll get a little bit of a better read on it, and we can adjust and see where these things are going. But right now they are upticking, but in lighter volume. Here's another one that's making a big move. This is SeaWorld. Ticker symbol is SEAS. Stock is trading at 24.25, closed at 21.13. So nice little pop there for SeaWorld. I happen to think you're a little bit stretched here above $24. So again, the upside should be somewhat limited here, but nonetheless, good little pop. And again, volume on this is definitely a little bit better, so we'll keep an eye on this one in the morning. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. I believe this is on the back of an upgrade, so Qualcomm getting upgraded. Stock is trading at $66.50. I still think there's more upside for Qualcomm, so around $69 is where I think will get fully priced, and you'll start to really see some good institutional resistance. So again, I still give Qualcomm a little bit more upside bias from where it currently is trading. Here's a downgrade today, which is Intel, INTC. That stock right now trading at $48.78. I still think Intel has one more leg lower before it finds a bottom. Right now, the stock is trickling down a little bit. It closed at $49.63, and again trading at $48.78. So keep an eye on Intel today. That could be a day trade play at some point. Next up, we want to take a look at Newell, NWL. And Newell Brands right now trading at 26. Oh, I make change. Yep, 26.70. Stock closed at 26.57. It was all over the map. Now it's basically flat and unchanged. Let's take a look at BID. Ticker symbol is BID there, and this is good old Sotheby's. Stock right now is trading at $50. Not a lot of volume here. Closed at $52.91. I have a level for Sotheby's you might be interested in right around the $48.60 area, give or take a few pennies. That should be pretty solid. We'll see it if it gets there. I'm not so sure. Let's take a look at HSBC. It looks like they came out with earnings as well. Big bank here, trading at $46.50, $46.49, closed at $47.19. So you got a little bit of down ticking there. A lot of times European bank stocks will follow suit. Let's take a look at RBS. Royal Bank of Scotland. This is also trading down, closed at $6.83, now trading at $6.54. Let's take a look at BCS. And this is Barclays trading at 989, close at 1005. So you can see they're all down, ticking a little bit there in sympathy to HSBC. And we'll see where this goes once the opening bell rings. But there you have it. Monday's a little bit on the quieter side. Last Monday was actually in a wild day out here, but today a little bit on the quieter side, and that's sometimes what happens in the month of August, but we'll see what it gives us. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting pounded today, down another $7.20 to $1,216 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, this is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. You'll see this trading at 114.36. Closed at 114.92. Crude oil today is trading higher by 69 cents to $69.18 a barrel. All in all, when you take a look at the USO, it's a good ETF to track the movement in crude. That's trading at 14.39, up from 14.27 on Friday's close. So oil up, gold down. Dollar today is trading stronger, trading at 95.30. So the dollar very strong this morning. And we'll see how that all plays out. Strong dollar does impact gold, and it does keep it down. So all in all, that's what we are looking at today. And again, if you haven't done so, we've had a great 2018. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. 2018 has been a blockbuster year. I'm going to look to keep that going really right into the end of December. So get ready. Things are perking up. Lots of earnings this week. Lots of movement out here in the market. And we got a few plays out here already. All right, with that being said, everybody have a great trading day. And we will see you all on the charts.